Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 327, problem 1. Gas costs $3.24 per gallon. A car, that is a specific car, averages 18 miles per gallon. If this car travels 1,250 miles, how much would the gas cost for the trip in dollars? Now, you notice that they did not give you this information in the most useful order. Too bad. I normally stress with students to try to follow, at first at least, try to follow the chronology that's given to you. But in this case, the chronology is not, it's fuzzy. What's not fuzzy is this. They gave you one piece of data, not formula information, but actual narrative information. And they need a different piece of narrative information out using two conversions. The conversions are miles per gallon and dollars per gallon. They gave you miles and they want dollars. You're going to have to go through gallons. If you have the talent to write an elegant little formula that does this in all at once, that's great, but most students do not. And nobody's going to check your work. So if your instinct, like mine, is to just push through it, that's probably the best plan, because for you it will be faster. Again, there are people that can write a formula, yes. If you're one of those people, that's great. But I have to focus on getting the most points for most students, not teaching them how to prove something to their algebra teacher. You're not going to prove anything to your algebra teacher, and I keep saying this. You need to fill out the correct little oval or press the correct little button. Okay, how you get there probably is like this. If you're a normal student, it's about like this. Okay, what they gave you is this number of miles. What they want from you is some number of dollars. You basically have to go through gallons as a conversion. So 18 miles per gallon. Should you multiply or divide? You're going to divide. If you multiply, you're going to notice you're already way off. Okay. 1,250 miles divided by 18 miles per gallon gives you 69.4 repeating gallons. This is where it is smart to use your calculator. It's not that you can't do this without a calculator, but if you look at the answers in the book, 228, 225, 222, 250, they're pretty close together. So if you start rounding the number of gallons in the middle of the problem, you're at a risk of being off by, what is it, three gallons? I don't know. Haven't tried it this way. Go ahead and try it if you want to. But I think you're going to conclude, having it done both ways, that using the calculator in this case is smart because of this 69.4 repeating gallons that you then have to convert. Okay, so the conversion rate for gallons to dollars, $3.24 per gallon. So are you going to divide or you're going to multiply? You're going to multiply. So if you're in a hurry and you're tired, it might take you a second to figure out, do I multiply or divide? It's going to be one or the other. Okay, I don't think it's going to be that tough when you're confronted with a similar question on the real test. Okay, so you multiply number of gallons by $3.24 per gallon, and you should get $225. Okay, so this has been an inelegant explanation. This is not my first take in this video, though. So if you can come up with reasons other than not using a calculator for why somebody would give $228, $222, or $215 as an answer, please tell me in the comments section, and you'll be helping me very greatly. It seems to me like it's mostly calculator. I don't know. Use a calculator for these problems.